And we're back here in beautiful Orange Beach, Alabama. Yacht broker Justin Williams with the Gulf Coast Yacht Group, located out on Pensacola Beach, Florida, at the Grand Marlin Restaurant and Oyster Bar. We're here today with an extra special treat. We're aboard one of Regal's newest models, a 38-foot SAV. And you're saying to yourself, SAV, that is a sports activity vessel. This thing is unique from the bow to the stern and everywhere in between. If you've ever wanted a center console, a cruiser, or a dual console, this boat is for you. And you're wondering by now, what in the world is unique about Regal's 38 SAV sports activity vessel? As you approach the 38 dockside, you'll notice immediately it's equipped with triple Yamaha 300 outboards, which is ideal for an activity vessel. Dual transom, walk-through transom doors, a large aft trunk that opens up with the genset and the Seakeeper tucked neatly down inside with ample amount of storage. Some of the additional unique features about the 38 SAV include the dual port and starboard dive doors, aft bench seat, As we move forward, you'll notice the entertainment bar on the aft part of the vessel. Full bar equipped with grill, sanitation sink, live well, and trash, drop-down TV, molded fiberglass hardtop, and complete glass windshield. Dual refrigerators and ample amount of storage. As we move forward to the helm on the 38 SAV, you're going to notice it's equipped with all amenities for the most skilled captain. A complete Garmin suite of electronics, a Fusion head unit to control all your audio around the boat, joystick docking with the new Helmmaster by Yamaha, bow thrusters, trim tabs, 4 comfortable helm seats to accommodate all your guests. As we descend down into the cabin, you're going to notice to starboard a full service head with dedicated shower and door. To port side, a complete miniature galley with microwave, and forward, a V-berth to accommodate a couple, and aft, media room for the children. So as we move forward in the Regal 38 SAV, the most unique thing you'll find on this boat is the U-shaped bow seating, almost identical to a dual console with comfort for every one of your guests while underway. As we conclude our tour here in Orange Beach, Alabama of Regal's new 38 SAV, we thank you for taking the time. But remember, this is 50 years worth of tradition, all compact into this new model, and it definitely stands out within the crowd.